Good morning, everybody. Matt here. I'm going to make the best hash browns at home. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, we start with the Idaho Spuds hash brown potatoes. As normal, I fill it up to the top with hot water, but that's where I switch things up instead of leaving it in the container. Put it into a bowl with some original Char-Griller and Char-Griller garlic and herb. Let that sit in there. Let it absorb all the goodness of the garlic and herb and other spices. The other thing that's different is I use either beef tallow this morning or bacon grease. Put that on the Char-Griller flat iron, and you'll get the best crispy, flavorful hash browns you've ever had. We're going to turn it into high speed mode, and you can watch how it's done. All right, let's see how it looks. Perfect. Beef sausage, beef breakfast sausage. I'll do quick over easy. At least that's how I like them. I think I'll have another sausage. Is there a better breakfast? I don't think so.